The Lyxor FTSE 100 UCITS ETF, or L100, is an exchange-traded fund ETF that gives investors exposure to the FTSE 100 index, which consists of the 100 largest companies listed on the London Stock Exchange. These companies represent the backbone of the UK economy, offering a convenient way to invest in well-established, blue-chip businesses. What does L100 do? L100 is designed to track the FTSE 100 index by investing in the same companies as the index. This includes giants in industries like financials, energy, healthcare, and consumer goods, such as Shell, HSBC, AstraZeneca, and Unilever. By holding L100, you're essentially investing in the overall performance of the UK's largest companies. This ETF is passively managed, meaning it mirrors the index's performance rather than trying to outperform it. Its low-cost structure makes it an attractive choice for both beginner and experienced investors. Why invest in L100? L100 is ideal for investors seeking a diversified and low-cost way to gain exposure to the UK's largest companies. It's particularly appealing for long-term growth and income-focused strategies, as many companies in the FTSE 100 pay regular dividends. Additionally, L100's low management expense ratio, MER, of 0.07% ensures more of your returns stay with you. Example of how L100 works. Imagine you invest £1,000 in L100. Your money is proportionally spread across the 100 companies in the FTSE 100 index. Larger companies like Shell and HSBC will have a bigger share of your investment compared to smaller ones like Ocado or Burberry. If the FTSE 100 index grows by 6% in a year, your investment in L100 would grow by approximately 6%, minus the small management fee. On top of this, you'll receive dividends distributed by the companies in the ETF. Benefits of L100. Diversification. L100 provides exposure to 100 of the UK's largest companies across various industries, reducing the risk of relying on a single stock. Low cost. With an MER of 0.07%, L100 is a cost-effective way to invest in the FTSE 100, ensuring more of your returns stay in your pocket. Dividend income. Many companies in the FTSE 100 pay regular dividends. L100 collects and passes these dividends to investors, making it an attractive option for those seeking income. Accessibility. L100 is listed on the London Stock Exchange, making it easy to buy and sell through most brokerage accounts. Risks of L100. Market risk. The performance of L100 is tied to the FTSE 100 index. If the UK stock market declines, the value of your investment in L100 will also decrease. Currency risk for international investors. If you're investing from outside the UK, fluctuations in the British pound can impact your returns when converted to your local currency. Is L100 right for you? L100 is a great choice for investors who want a simple, low-cost way to gain exposure to the UK's largest companies. It's particularly suited for those building a diversified portfolio or seeking steady income through dividends. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, L100 offers an efficient way to access the UK market.